Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to Muggle Magic. First of all, I just want to thank every one of my subscribers. The channel just hit 20,000 subscribers a couple of days ago, and honestly, I never thought that it would get to this point. So it's really exciting for me to actually hit a number like that, and I just want to thank you guys very much. Now, I know that a lot of you are probably watching to find out who won the 20K giveaway, and I will announce that, but first I have a couple of surprises to celebrate 20K subscribers. First, most of my older DIYs, which were taken down, are now back up for download. Warner Bros. Really only put a copyright strike on one of my videos, but if more of my videos were to get copyright strikes, if I got too many, the entire channel would be taken down by YouTube. I didn't want that to happen, so when Warner Bros. Hit me with a copyright strike, I took down most of the videos at first while I talked with Warner Bros. To make sure I was doing things in at least a legal way, or a way that they would allow me to keep making videos. And once we came to an agreement, then I started putting my videos back up, only without the downloads, which was one of the stipulations to take away the downloads, which led to people selling my stuff on various websites around the internet. So basically, once I got all my videos back up, I needed to go through all of the downloads and make sure that these aren't things that people are selling online or potentially could easily sell online. So that's what I've done. It took a long time, but I'm happy to say that they are now back up. There are 7 that I could not put back up because these 7 were DIYs that people were actively selling online. And if I put those back up, it could just lead to more trouble with Warner Bros. So I can't do that. And in fact, if any of the things that I did put back up or any of my future DIY projects end up showing up somewhere on some websites, on Etsy or wherever, being sold, I'm gonna have to take them down because I really don't want to risk losing my channel and not being able to do this for you guys in the future. These projects are meant for personal use. You make one for yourself just to keep, or for a friend, and that's it. So really selling them, that's not really what this is for. This is just for fun. So please don't sell these things. Honestly, I consider this kind of like fan art, you know, and fan fiction. Some of it, like the spell book, I made that up completely, including the character who wrote that book. So I really do consider that fan fiction and fan art. Next, I am doing a flash giveaway with 20 winners to celebrate 20K. The way this is going to work is I will be selecting 20 comments from the comment section below. Now, before you run off and start adding comments right now, you got to listen to the rules. First of all, your first comment is the only one that actually counts. If you post multiple comments, the other ones don't count toward winning the prizes. Second of all, you've got to tell me in the comment which prize you want. Now, I'm going to be giving away Quibblers, Weasley Wizard Wheezes catalogs, Quidditch World Cup pamphlets, Borgin and Burke's catalogs, and the Mudbloods and the Dangers They Pose pamphlet. So just tell me in the comment which one of those you want. And now here is how I'm going to select the winners. The first 20 comments are going to be the 20 winners. And don't worry, for everybody else who didn't get here in time to make a comment, don't worry, I do host weekly giveaways. And this 20K giveaway mystery box did so well. There were so many entries. I'm gonna do this again. So if you want a chance at winning another one of these, there's going to be another one for 30K. And I'll also do a 25K thing, but the big mystery box is gonna be a 30K giveaway thing. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right now just so that we can get as many people getting a chance to win this as possible. Also, I'm in the process of setting up a Patreon account where I'm gonna have like exclusive monthly giveaways and exclusive downloads for my patrons. So if you're interested in that, I'll have some more information on that a little down the road. Maybe in the next few videos, I'll have some more to announce about that, and actually a link to my Patreon account so that you guys can start signing up if you want. All right, and now to announce the winner of the 20K Muggle Magic Mystery Box, which includes a Marauder's map, a Quibbler, as well as 5 mystery items. And the winner is Dominique Carendang. Congratulations, and I have sent you an email with instructions on how you can claim your prize. And for everybody else, thank you so much for subscribing. Keep the subs coming, like the videos, share them, get the channel growing, and we will be giving away plenty more mystery boxes in the future. Again, thank you so very much, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.